Yo, what up, guys? This is Lord High the Dads from the Dads Life YouTube channel, and you don't know today is a 31-month free farm lock update. You don't know, you see, we've been getting in the growth, the length, don't know, different angles, you see me? So we're just showing you, say, this is really the length now. Thanks for everybody supporting the channel. Thanks for everybody showing love on YouTube. You don't know, respect due. Everybody need to go and Instagram and follow me, the Dad's Lord High, because you don't know, respect due to everybody but been showing love, been showing support, been saying keep doing your thing, keep doing more videos. So we're just doing more videos. So this is the 31-month free farm lock update. Don't know, super thick dreads. Everybody need to know, say, more vlogs coming for the summer, about to turn up. So bless up on yourself. Thanks for all the support. Lord High the Dads from the Dads Life YouTube channel. Boom.